Okay, guys, so I have just had a bite on before catch one? Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Gotta keep her on a jiggy wrap.
More things. Another one. That was a good bite. Now I have 0 pulls in the water. Yeah, I need more bait. Oh, I got one right here. I'm gonna need more bait. There you go. A little short. 7.5. I'll throw it back. Whoa. Yeah, so stay tuned here. Stay tuned and be ready to catch more fish. Oh, hold on. Got a bite here on the right pole. I guess I just caught a nice one. Oh yeah. Double. That's not so heavy.
Huh?
I know the bottom would stick this and keep it out. Yeah, I'll throw that one back. I know the bottom one's a keeper. I'll throw this one back. Oh, you got I'll show you. See you in a few minutes. Get this all rounded up. We're in a little marina here. Not a bite. No ice. We just went up to Michigan and up to Saginaw Bay and did really well. That's a nice one. Keeper. Put in the basket. But anyways, when I was talking about Saginaw Bay, you have to go up there. It's really shallow, about 4 foot of water where you're fishing. You can sight fish, there's fish up there. And it's crazy. There's big schools of pigs. Big school of pigs.
I'm doing it right now. Not real far. Kind of out past that dock. Yeah, that's fine. You want me to put something different on this? Or try this off of that dock once. I'm gonna catch they catching some perch right there. You catch perch on this. I'm gonna go jig it for a second.
Oh.
Just go jig it for a couple seconds. See if you can catch perch right here.
2 seconds.
Give it a couple minutes. They're catching perch. Oh, that was a big one. Don't even pull off. Nothing? Alright, where I'll change it. one biting on this one again. Why don't you go? Oh my goodness. He's hammering me. Missed him. Go get your pole. Leave those poles over there. Bring them over here. I'm getting bites. Missed him again, my goodness. The bait down? Oh, you gotta keep up with it. Good one.
Keep right there.
How much battery you have left?
Not much at all. I just caught this one. Barely,
Oh, my minnow just slipped off.
barely in.
Put him in the basket.
Where's it at? It's literally laying in the bottom.
Yeah, I know. What do you want on yours? One of those little tails?
Plastics.
Yeah. What color?
Okay.
Red or green?
Red.